When it comes to maintenance, you can select a hydrant and set a maintenance date. From the same menu, you may also run through the in-app maintenance checklist. The app also allows you to calculate hydrant capacity, as well as main capacity, by selecting your test hydrant, tapping Maintenance, and tapping Calculate Capacity. To begin a 2-hydrant test, one team member will attach the cap gauge to the test hydrant for measuring static and residual pressure. They'll open the hydrant valve, and then use the cap gauge valve to vent air or other contaminants that could affect readings. They'll then close the cap gauge valve and take the static pressure reading. Once the static pressure reading has been recorded, another team member at the flow hydrant will measure and record the friction coefficient and the outlet size of the flow hydrant and attach their pitot gauge for measuring pressure. Before opening the hydrant valve to test the pressure, the team member at the flow hydrant should alert the team member at the test hydrant that they'll be opening the valve. When the flow hydrant is fully open, both members will simultaneously record the pressure from the pitot gauge on the flow hydrant and the residual pressure at the test hydrant. Once all measurements have been recorded, the team member at the flow hydrant will close their hydrant first, followed by the test hydrant, with both remembering to close their respective valves slowly to prevent hydraulic shock or water hammer. Once the readings have been entered into the app, you will be given the calculations for hydrant capacity and main capacity. Selecting Update Data at the bottom of the screen will save calculations in the test hydrant's maintenance history.